Reasoning for competitive exam. Reasoning for all competitive exams. Now, reasoning is a vital component. Reasoning সব পরীক্ষাতে জিজ্ঞেস করা হয়, যে কোনো টেস্ট, যে কোনো এক্সামিনেশন, যে কোনো জব রিলেটেড, চাকরি রিলেটেড কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম, যে কোনো হায়ার কোর্সে অ্যাডমিশন রিলেটেড, কমন এন্ট্রান্স টেস্ট, পুলিশ ইন্সপেক্টর, পুলিশ কনস্টেবল, ব্যাংকিং, রেলওয়েজ, টিচার্স রিক্রুটমেন্ট, all the exams, যে কোনো এক্সামে রিজনিং থাকবে. রিজনিং ইজ এ মোস্ট ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট কম্পোনেন্ট. তো রিজনিং ছাড়া আর কোনো পরীক্ষা হয় না. সব পরীক্ষাতে যাই থাকবে, there will be a reasoning paper. So reasoning is the most important in the job market. Reasoning may be verbal, non-verbal. Reasoning is of two types. Reasoning दो तरह का, दो रकम है, verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. We will see what is verbal and non-verbal reasoning, but a particular video we are discussing verbal reasoning. This video is about verbal reasoning, but then we will in later videos, এর পরে যত কোনো ভিডিও আসবে, কিছু কিছু ভিডিওতে non-verbal reasoning আসবে. So this is about verbal reasoning, but meaning টা, what is verbal and what is non-verbal reasoning? Now this is a verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning e we have word. We have word. একটা word আছে. That means you should know English alphabet. অন্য কিছু না জানলে at least English ABCD টা জানতে হবে. So you must know the English alphabet. For instance, এখানে একটা example আছে. Cat equal to DBU, then dog equal to what? Cat is equal to DBU. Cat के जो DBU लिखा है, then dog, how it is written. So what we do is letter by letter. First letter, second letter, third letter. So C becomes D. How it is? +1. +1 means next letter. +1 means next letter. Previous letter -1. C এর -1 হচ্ছে B আগেকার, and C এর +1 হচ্ছে D মানে next letter. So it is +1 here. C is D, so it is +1. A is written as B. This A is written, second letter A is written as B. So A to be about +1. T is written as U, the last letter, T. সব থেকে last letter, T. It has been written as U. T কে U করেছে, তখন T +1 is U. So in all the cases we have +1, +1, +1. A rule, that is why this is given. A first যে given, এইখান থেকে rule বার করতে হবে. You find out what is the rule, what is the rule they are following, how it is coming, what is the operation. The operation is take each letter, add 1. C +1 D, A +1 B, T +1 U. That is next letter. So everyone you add. Now, first take a rule. Now second take apply the same rule. What is the rule? +1, +1, +1. The rule is +1. So D +1 will be E. That is the next letter. O +1 gives P. O এর পরের letter P. And G +1 gives H. So we get E, P, H. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Cat के যদি DBU লেখা হয়, then dog के কিভাবে লিখবো, it should be written as EPH, because এখানে যেরকম +1 প্রত্যেকটা লেটার, here also do the same thing, +1 for each letter. So এরকম যখন words are given, when words are given or letters are given, that is called a verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning consists of words. Now there is an example of non-verbal reasoning. Non-verbal reasoning words থাকবে না, ছবি থাকবে বা numbers থাকবে, but there will be no word, no alphabet. So English ABCD is not important. The same question you can give it to a person from Japan, a person from Russia, a person from China, a person from New Zealand, a person from Canada, because it is only picture or numbers. So এখানে word থাকছে না, no alphabet. So ABCD আর জানতে হবে না. Now see this. এখানে একটা sequence is given and you are asked to find what is the next sequence. আগে এখানে নিয়মটা পার করতে হবে. You have to find out the rule, how it is formed, what is the relation, what is the relation from picture 1 to picture 2, and what is the relation from picture 2 to picture 3. Now the same relation you apply to get picture 4. So picture 1 to picture 2, this has 3 sides, 3 side, 1 2 3. এখানে কি আছে 4 sides আর এখানে 5 sides. That means there is also +1, 3 side +1, এখানে 4 side, here also +1, 4 side +1 gives. Now same rule you extend, একই rule extend হবে, don't change the rule, +1 +1, same rule, একই rule we take. So what we need 6 sides, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side. Now we need 6 side. Now কোনটাতে 6 side আছে? So this is the right option, because this contains 6 sides. Now how did we get 6 side? See the sequence. Sequence we have 3 side, then 4, then 5, the next one should be 6. 3, 4, 5 and that next one should be 6. It is a non-verbal reasoning. No words are there. There are no words. There is a non-verbal reasoning. Now, in this video we are discussing verbal reasoning. In this particular video we have verbal reasoning. Question number 1. Sequence. CAE first sequence, FDH second sequence, IJK third sequence, then what is the fourth one? Number 1 CAE, next FDH, next IJK, then what must be the next one? Option, don't see the option now. Don't see the option now. এখন শুধু এইটা থাকবে 1 থেকে 2 কিভাবে এসেছে, 2 থেকে 3, 3 থেকে 4. So relation 1 to 2 and relation 2 to 3. Now CAE, now what we do is we যেটা horizontally দেওয়া আছে we write it vertically for convenience. CAE, it was given as CAE horizontal line. Now we write it as CAE. Next one was given FDH horizontal, we write FDH. Next was written IJK, so we write that vertically. Now see, now there is a table, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, D equal to 4, E equal to 5, F equal to 6 and till Z equal to 26. This table, এই টেবিলটা it will not be given. এটা এক্সামে থাকবে না, এটা নিজের থেকে তৈরি করতে হবে। A to Z 1 2 3 4 5 6 you can make the table, and নাহলে you can count on fingers, আঙ্গুলে গুনেও করা যায়, but number. So C হচ্ছে the third letter, A B C, so number 3. C is number 3, you can see that. C is number 3. Okay, A is প্রথম letter 1, E is fifth letter, 5 number letter 5. So C3 A1 E5. Next is FDH. It is given. FDH is given in the question. FDH is given in the question. See, FDH, IGK, all are given in the question. So all these are given. So we are writing FDH. F key, F is number 6, D hoche number 4, this D, and H is number 8. Similarly I ta hoche ekhane I number 9, I is number 9. G, this is G is number 7, and K is number 11. এই টেবিলটা দেওয়া থাকবে না, দিস জাস্ট এ বি সি ডি এ থেকে জেড পর্যন্ত 1 2 3 4 ইউ রাইট। এই টেবিলটা আমাকে তৈরি করতে হবে। নাও সি দ্য সিকোয়েন্স কীভাবে হচ্ছে 3 6 9, দ্যাট মিনস 3 প্লাস 3 6 প্লাস 3 9। নাও একই জিনিস সেম থিং ইউ এক্সটেন্ড প্লাস 3 ইট গিভস 12। 3 6 9, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. So এই পর্যন্ত দেওয়া আছে। নাও সেম থিং ইউ কন্টিনিউ, একই রুল কন্টিনিউ, ইউ উইল গেট 12। A1 plus 3 you are getting 4, plus 3 you are getting 7. This is what is given. Now continue the same thing, plus 3, continue, plus 3 it will be 10. Similarly E is 5, again plus 3 gives 8, plus 3 gives 11. এই পর্যন্ত দেওয়া আছে। নাও নিজের থেকে plus 3 giving 14. Now 12 হচ্ছে L, you can see 12 is L, so we have written L. 10 is J, 10 is J, you can see here 10 is J, and 14 is N, 14 is number 14 N. So the answer becomes LJN. Even now you can see the option. Now you can see the option LJN. Konta number 1 option. Number 1 option is the right answer. Number 1 option is the right answer. But don't see the option. First get the answer. Write the position. C is 3, F is 6, I is 9, plus 3 plus 3. Now continue with plus 3, get 12L. A is 1, D is 4, G is 7. So 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7. Continue, plus 3 equal to 10. And E is 5, H is 8, K is 11. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11. Now continue in your own way. Plus 3 is 14, that is N. So we got LJN, and LJN was option number 1. Option number 1 was LJN. Now here we have got, now this is a relation, not a sequence. ওখানে 3টে আছে আর 4th সিকোয়েন্স বার করতে হবে। এখানে দুটো রিলেশন, ফার্স্ট দুটোর যা রিলেশন, সেকেন্ড দুটোর একই রিলেশন। ফার্স্ট রিলেশন ডিবি আর আইসি, হোয়াট এভার ইজ রিলেশন, যা রিলেশন, সেম রিলেশন YE to the answer. So what is that? So first relation, first we'll find out the relation. Again same thing, যেটা horizontally দেওয়া আছে that we write vertically, DB. Horizontally it is given IC, we write vertically. Now see the relation. D is 4, ABCD, A1 B2, D is 4 and B is 2. তারপরে IC, I টা কোথায় আছে, I is 9, this 9, you got 9. And C is in position 3, A, B, C is in position 3. Now see how do we get. First এখানে হয়েছে plus 5, 4 plus 5 9, so this here got plus 5, and second 2 becomes 3, that means plus 1. So this is the relation. First হচ্ছে plus 5, second হচ্ছে plus 1. Relation is plus 5 plus 1. Now carry out the same thing. কি আছে YE, it is given. First of the দেওয়াই আছে. Now you have to find out this one. 25. So প্রথমের জন্য plus 5 আর E5 সেকেন্ডের জন্য plus 1. First plus 5 plus 1. এখানেও তাই. Plus 5 plus 1. Same thing. Plus 5 plus 1. We get 30 and we get 6. Now 6 is F. That you can see. 6 is F. Now what about 30? The last Z is 26. So 26 पर again you come to 27. A is 27. After B is 28. C is 29 and D is 30. After Z 26 আবার A থেকে শুরু করবে 1 27 28 29 30 or minus 26. 26 হয়ে গেছে second round, minus 26, that is 4, giving you D, and 6 to F আছে. So we get DF. So we get DF. That means this is the correct option. DF. DF is the correct option. The right option is DF. First letter we saw DI, DB and IC. Sorry, D এর সঙ্গে I, 4 and 9 plus 5, and BC, that means plus 1. So do the same thing. YE, Y is 25 plus 5, 30. 30 minus 26, 4. And E is 5, 5 plus 1, 6, that is F. So we got DF. Whatever relation you find out from here, এর উপরে একই rule, একই relation you do, and you get the what it should be. Then you get what it should be. Next one. Again relation, but this time we got 3 letters. This is 8-hour relation, but we got 3 letters. AEG, GHM actor relation, whatever relation. Now relation will be like this: A to G, first letter to first letter, E to K, and G to M. Whatever relation is that, aki relation MQS. With you put the same rule. So again, what is given horizontally, write it vertically. GKM, write vertically. Put the numbers. A hoche 1, E is 5, you can see that, E is 5, and G is 7. So you write the 5 and 7. And for the relay, what is given? GKM relation, write that. G is 7, K is 11, you can see this. K is 11, M ta hoche 13. Now find out the rule. 1 থেকে 7, what you are doing? Plus 6. 1 plus 6. 5 to 11, how to get? Plus 6. 7 থেকে 13, how to get? Plus 6. That means every letter you are doing plus 6. Every letter you are doing plus 6. First letter plus 6, second letter plus 6, third letter plus 6. Now take this word, MQS. Now take this word. And একই কাজ করব, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. Same thing. Whatever rule we got, here also we got plus 6. Now do the same thing here, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. M is 13, you can see from here. M is 13. Q is 17. See here, Q is 17. S is 19. S is 19. So plus 6. Koto? 6 plus 19 is 25. And 25 is, you get, 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 you get S. 17 plus 6, 23. And see from the table, 23 is W. 23, W. And 19 plus 6, 25. 25, see from here, Y. That is Y. So since first case is plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. So in this also, plus 6, M plus 6, 13 plus 6, 19, S. Q plus 6, minus 17 plus 6, 23, 23 minus W. And S plus 6, 19 plus 6, 25, 25 is Y. So the answer is SWY. SWY. And this is SWY, option number 1. The right answer, option number 1. SWY. What we did? First step, we got 1 or 7, tar mane plus 6. 5 and 11 means plus 6. 7 and 13 mane plus 6. So do the same thing. একই রুল এখানে 13 plus 6 হলে 19, 17 plus 6 23, and 19 plus 6 25. 19 মানে S, 23 is W, and 25 is Y. So SWY, and that is option number 1. Option number 1. Here we have got a sequence. What is the sequence? CAE, FDH, IJK. CAE, FDH, IJK, and continue the fourth word. The fourth combination of letters. Word noy, word to hobe na kono mane nei, but still it is called a combination of letters. Letter combination. CAE, একটা letter combination. 3 letters. FDH, 3 letter একটা combination, মানে হয় না, but combination. IGK, it's a combination. So what must be the fourth combination? So again same thing, CAE, what is given horizontally, we write vertically. FDH, given horizontally, write vertically. IGK, horizontally, write vertically. এই পর্যন্ত দেওয়া আছে, only this much. So see the relation. C হচ্ছে number 3, F is the 6th one, and I is the 9th one. So কি হচ্ছে, how do we get? 3 plus 3 6, I plus 3 9. A হচ্ছে 1, A first letter. D is 4, we are getting D as the 4th letter, and G is 7. How we are getting? 1 থেকে 4 মানে plus 3, and 4 to 7 plus 3. Similarly E. E is the 5th letter, and H is the 8th. So 5 plus 3 8, and K is 11. So again 8 plus 3 11. So rule ta hoche plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. All the case plus 3. Now the same thing will continue. Ever fourth ta ki? 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9, again plus 3 giving you 12, and 12 is, you can see L. L is 12. 1 plus 3 4 plus 3 7, এটাকে continue করি, 7 plus 3 10, and 10 is J. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, continue the same thing, plus 3, you get 14, that means N. So answer will be LJN. LJN, and option number 1. LJN, option number 1. Option last day. First after getting the answer, then option. आगे option देखबे ना. First do the relationship. Key relation, plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is a relation. করে যেটা পাবে, then after you get the answer, Now check the option কার সঙ্গে মিলছে, that is number 1 option LJN, so there is the correct option. Next one, in a certain, sorry, here we got, yeah, again we have got a sequence AY CW EU fourth one, same thing, AY horizontally, write it vertically, CW horizontally, write vertically, EU horizontally, write it vertically. Now see, A is 1, C is 3 and E is 5. It is deva, whatever it is given. I am not taking anything new. Option take each and every ja deva chekare. Don't take anything from the option. Don't take anything from the option. Option take each and every. Whatever is given, only these three. So A is 1, A, B, C 3 and E is 5. Again I table ache. A is 1, B, C is 3 and E is 5. তাহলে কি করলাম, 1 থেকে 3 plus 2, 3 থেকে 5 plus 2. তো একই জিনিস continue the same rule. 5 plus 2 is 7. এখানে plus 2, এখানে plus 2. Continue the same thing. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 means G. So you got the first letter. Now Y, then W, then U. Y হচ্ছে 25. You can see Y is 25. W is 23. Y and W. U is 21. So what are you getting? 25 minus 2 and 23 minus 2. 25 minus 2, 23 minus. So again do minus 5. Continue the same rule, Aki rule. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. First is plus 2, so continue plus 2. Second, it is minus 2, minus 2, so continue minus 2. 21 minus 2 is 19. And 19 is S. So what we got is GS. Now see the option. GS is the first option. First option we are getting GS. So the rule may be different. First is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Second letter is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. The rule may be different. এখানে plus 2 হলে এখানে plus 2 হবে, not that. এখানে plus 2, এখানে minus 2. It can be different. Now, in a certain code, triple is written as a combination of letter S, G, H, O, O, K, D, whatever it is. How is dispose written in that code? Option are there. Again the same thing. Write the word and the code. We are writing the word and the given code. Dute dewa ache. I did not write anything by myself. Jal dewa ache. Now T থেকে S is minus 1. মানে T a previous letter. Plus 1 means next letter. Minus 1 means previous letter. ABCD is a T এর আগে. Previous letter is S. R থেকে minus 1 করলে Q. R এর আগের letter. I থেকে minus 1 করলে H. P minus 1 O. P minus 1 O. L minus 1 K. E minus 1 D. So rule is minus 1. Every letter থেকে প্রত্যেক letter থেকে minus 1. So rule we have got. Rule is minus 1. Rule is minus 1. For every letter minus 1 is the rule. Now do the same thing. Minus 1 ever এখানে করে যায়। যেটা whatever is given, dispose. Now take this. Now minus 1. So D minus 1. D এর আগে C. I minus 1. I এর আগের letter H. S minus 1 R. P minus 1 O. O minus 1 N. S minus 1 R. আগের letter. ABCD তে D এর আগে কি আসে C. I এর আগেরটা H. S before S you get R. Before P you get O. Similarly before E you get D. So the answer you got is কি করলাম, এখান থেকে রুল বার করলাম minus 1 and this rule is applied here. এখান থেকে রুল বার করে এইখানে এই রুলটা অ্যাপ্লাই করব. So we got CHRONRD, which is the first option, option A. We got the first option, option A. First হচ্ছে রুল বার করার জন্য, সেকেন্ড হচ্ছে ওই রুল দিয়ে আনসার বার করার জন্য. Now we have the third letter. In a certain language, gamble is coded as FBLCKF. How is flower coded in that language? Don't take the option. এখন option দেখবে না. Answer, when we get the answer, we will look at the option. Now, only two things. Gamble and the code. Take gamble and the code. Only these two things. And see how we get it. Letter by letter. First letter to first letter. Second letter to second letter. Third. So G থেকে F মানে -1. তার মানে previous letter. G এর আগের letter. So it is -1. A আর B তার মানে A এর পরের letter +1. M থেকে L তার মানে করেছে -1. B থেকে C মানে +1. L থেকে K মানে -1. E থেকে +1. So what is it? Alternately -1 and +1. Alternately -1 +1. Same rule bring here. Alternate একটা -1 একটা +1 একটা -1 একটা +1 -1 +1. Same rule. তাহলে এবার flower. Flower এর put the same rule. Flower. First এ হচ্ছে -1, then +1, -1, +1. So F -1 E, L +1 M, O -1 N, W +1 X, E -1 D, and R +1 S. So whatever we get here, -1 +1, we get the rule, and we put the same rule here, and we get this answer. But now you can see the option. Aage option dekhen. Now you can see the option. Here we are getting EMNXDS. This is the correct option. This is the answer. Answer power pore, then you see the option. Don't see the option before. See the option afterwards. Answer you get after you get the answer, then you can see the option. Now here same thing. In a certain language, nature is coded as MASQUE. How is famine coded in that language? Option dekhben এখন. No, don't see the option. এখন I'll see only nature and the code. Nature and the code. See what is happening. N থেকে -1 মানে n এর আগের লেটার M. A no change 0 মানে no change, same thing, +0 or -0. T -1 মানে T থেকে আগের লেটার, T এর আগে S. U again no change. R থেকে -1 তার মানে R এর আগের লেটার, E no change. So the rule is -1 0 -1 0 -1. Now put the same rule here. Same rule here. -1 0 -1 0 minus. So famine. F এর আগে -1 মানে আগের লেটার E. A 0 মানে no change. M -1 আগের লেটার L. I 0 that means I. N -1 that is N previous letter, and E 0 মানে same. So you are getting this option. Here we got the rule. N থেকে M -1. A থেকে A মানে 0. 0 change. T থেকে S মানে -1 previous letter. Now bring the same rule here. Bring the same rule here. এখানে একই rule. তাহলে এখান থেকে -1 0 মানে no change. Again -1 মানে আগেকার letter. 0 মানে no change. -1 previous letter, and 0 মানে no change. E A L I M E. Where do you now see the option? এইবার থেকে option দেখা যায়. Option D, you are getting the same answer. After getting the answer, then see the option. Don't see the option before that. If fragrance is written as a particular code, how can imposing be written? Now, fragrance and the code. Write the code. Fragrance and the code. And the code. Now, F থেকে S or R থেকে B or A থেকে H, these are not constant. এখান থেকে কোনো রুল পাওয়া যাবে না. So what they have done, এবার see this how we are মানে একটুখানি ভাবতে হবে, একটুখানি মাথাপাচি করতে হবে, then afterwards what you get the rule. See how you get. It may take some time. হয়তো কিছুক্ষণ ভাবতে হবে, কিছুক্ষণ একটু উল্টো পাল্টা অনেক রকম চেষ্টা করতে হবে, but then ultimately you will get this. The first letter F টাকে +1 মানে G. F +1 is G, মানে F এর পরে G আসে. So A B C D E F G, F এর পরে G মানে +1 G. এইটাকে একদম ফার্স্ট লেটার ইজ গোয়িং টু দ্য লাস্ট. ফার্স্ট লেটারকে +1 করে একদম লাস্ট, অ্যান্ড বাকিগুলোকে +1 করে ডায়াগোনাল. এই আরটাকে +1 করে এস, এটাকে +1 করে বি, জিটাকে +1 করে এইচ, আর +1 এস, এ +1 বি, এন +1 ও, সি +1 ডি, and E +1 F আর এই জিটা ফার্স্ট লেটার থেকে. ফার্স্ট লেটার +1 লাস্ট লেটার. So got the rule, all +1 but first letter to be shifted to last. Same thing. তাহলে এখানে I +1 মানে J, এটা একদম লাস্টে, একদম লাস্টে J. Now diagonally M +1 হচ্ছে N, P +1 Q, +1 মানে নেক্সট লেটার, O +1 P, S +1 এর পরের লেটার T, I এর পরে J, N এর পরে O, and G এর পরে H, and the last letter I যেটা +1 করে J, that is the last letter. So you got N Q P T J O H J. That is option number C. N Q T P J O H J. Option number C. Now see the option. So thank you. That was a brief video on verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning is acronym reasoning. Now you will get different types of verbal reasoning in next video and subsequent videos. Then also you will get non-verbal reasoning. So verbal reasoning are একটা pattern. A এর value, B এর value, A equal to 1, B equal to 2, এটা one kind of pattern. Then other patterns are there, আরও অন্যরকম পদ্ধতি আছে, অন্যরকম মেথড আছে. So this is এক ধরনের question.